We are making frittata today. Well, I am, and hopefully you're watching. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen. I'm going to take you through a really quick frittata recipe here, and I'm going to do a very healthy version of it because everything I make in this show gets consumed by myself, my family, my friends, whoever I feel like sharing these meals with. And today I'm going to be doing a healthy brunch. So this frittata is going to encompass a lot of delicious flavors, but very simple and healthy vegetables. What is a frittata, in case you haven't Googled it yet? Well, to me, it's kind of like a crustless quiche or a baked omelet. And the reason I love this for a brunch setting or when you have company over and you're cooking for multiple people is because instead of trying to cook eggs to order or figuring out a bunch of different things that take different times, this is one of those one tray bake situations that you can just put on the table and everyone can have a slice. For my version today, I have some bell peppers, onions, broccoli, and I'm going to saute those up in a little bit of oil with my cast iron pan, and I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper seasoning. I have 9 eggs on the side that I'm also going to do salt and pepper with, and a little touch and splash of milk as I whisk them up while my veggies are getting soft. Then we just give it a nice pour. Your cast iron pan should still be on and warm because we want to develop a bit of a crust on the bottom before we put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes to get this result. Then you can serve it with whatever you want. Fruit on the side, some salad, maybe some turkey bacon, whatever you wish. There are many things that you can add, replace, remove, change about a frittata. You pick the vegetables that make you happy. You can add bacon, you can do different kinds of proteins in there, whatever your heart desires. I also highly recommend adding cheese. Feta is a really good one, or even a sprinkle of just some great cheddar on top at the end and let it melt. Because I'm doing a healthier version of it, we're not adding that into my frittata today, but I bet when I make it next weekend, I will add a ton of cheese because I have a little addiction to cheese. Thanks for tuning into the Silly Kitchen. I hope to see you again soon, and I hope you have a wonderful brunch sometime in your near future. Till next time.